My work is proper delayed, Winnie. So I cannot go to work now. It's at 12 o'clock. My little stalker. I thought she asleep. What happened? What happened, Winnie? I cannot go to work now. Actually, I have no salon today, but I have the home service instead. So, I'll just lie down here. Isa Winnie, snuggle with me. She was there, down, bit by bit, until to closer to me, because she saw me that I'm very busy in my phone. So, try to figure out how to be close with me, because sometimes I have to told her off that I'm busy. So what she did, he scratched my hair. That is how the life with cats.